What's up, Gator fans? It's Ritch Robin, man. Running that table again today. Doing a custom fire grate for a customer's existing Gator pit. He wants to beef it up, make it last a lot longer. He's got 3 restaurants with Gator pits in them. And so we're going to cut a 4-inch thick custom Gator grate out plate, and we're going to reinforce it with some angle iron and put it off some 3-inch legs. Set it up off the bottom of the square firebox. The grate behind me here is 22.5 wide by 25 inches long, 4-inch thick plate. I'll turn this around and see what we're doing here on the cutout with our Torchmate. Making it easy. Took me about 10-15 minutes. Busy drawing the CAD file and getting it to size, and put the memory stick in right there in the computer, setting it all up with the settings, and basically hit the go button, so to speak. There it is. Should be done here probably about 10 minutes. It's a lot of holes that's got to cut out. This takes a little longer. And, I'm running at about 65 inches per minute. Things are running good, clean cut, and it's probably bump it up and speed it up a little bit. Cutting fine where it is now, I don't know what out here. I'm Ritch Robin, here's to the second. Let us know what we can CAD for you and cut for you on a CNC Torchmate 4510. Yep, 4510 table, big table, guys. There's your Lincoln right there, Torchmate. We can do pretty much anything anybody wants on this table. Give me a call. If y'all got a company out there, or even an individual that needs some parts cut out, requires a CNC plasma, requires the CAD drawings, or if you got the CAD drawings, send them to us. We'll look at them and let you know what we can and can't do, and let you know what the price is on it. We can cut 1 piece up to thousands of pieces, guys. This is a 5x20 table right here. We can do a lot of cuts and big cuts out of this thing. Again, this is our Lincoln Torchmate 4510 table right there. Obviously, it's computerized. Again, we can cut out car parts, fence work, ranch entry work, artwork, gate artwork, you name it, we can do it. Give me a call, Ritch Robin. See ya. Set up right here. O-R. Got to have the Gator. Gator cut out. Gator cut out in the middle of it. That was look at the fire blade, cut the fire blade. Then on the barbecue grill, smoke it. 4-inch thick steel. We get the CAD file, the drawing, the CAD file. Put it in the software, either after handle, pick it up, take it out of the fire box, there's handles on both ends, and of course you've got air holes here. If you get good oxygen clean in it, it's a good clean burning fire. Also custom made. We can cut them to any size. If you want one of these badass grates, give me a call. Well, let's see what this 52-pound fire grate looks like. It's now finished. Cut out with our Lincoln Torchmate 4510 CNC Plasma Table. And then my welders angle framed it out with some 1/4 inch by 2 inch angle and reinforced it with 1/4 inch by 2 inch flat bar. I just weighed it and it weighs 52 pounds. That's a heavy fire grate, guys. See what it looks like underneath. See the reinforcements? Need a custom fire grate for your firebox, residential or commercial? Give us a call. Let's design something for you. 713-896-0144. Email info@gatorpit.net. Let Gator Pit know. Ooh, that's heavy. Got some specs to send us. Send them on. Need us to design one for you? We can do it, obviously.